shit that's gonna make me elevate. Only one people around that's gonna make me.
Hi y'all, welcome to Robin's channel. Okay y'all, I'm about to install a wig for my birthday. I don't know why, but I'm about to figure this out today, y'all. I'm about to install this wig. And I don't do this method, I don't. But welcome to the channel. I'm about to start, y'all. About to start. I ain't never did this technique. I didn't take my ears out. I don't know if y'all can hear me or not. But yeah, I'm about to start this process. Y'all, I got locks under here. Yes, I got my hair in locks. I always, so this is the wig, y'all. It's pretty, it's an orange color. So I'm about to install this. Okay, y'all, I see why they take the ears out, but this can be much flatter. So now, it's 80 degrees outside right now, so mosquitoes been coming in because I opened my balcony door. I gotta get rid of them. They gotta go! They gotta go!
Go ahead, show me you can get like everything. Show me like any car, any house, baby, you can get like any ring, anything. Then I can knock it down through the night, through the day, yeah. Yeah, baby, you call Sugar Ray, yeah. I may not know it, just let me move. You be my soldier, like you from the north. Make it say, no limit.
Y'all, I think this is 360. No, it's not. Actually, it's not. It's just the way they made it. I got this from Moon Magic. I like the texture though, of the hair. Oh, y'all look. Okay. It's looking like something.
See you by the signs, ain't no limit, baby, do it like. Ain't no limit, baby, when you a star. Marta outsmart the pirate ride. Build a session with Bacardi Barbers. Kerosene. Mama spinning while machine. What you watching? Spin ways to prima donna. Never limit, I'm a star.
Y'all, I'm looking this way because I'm looking in my bathroom mirror. Let's see. Y'all should have used this. I don't know what I was thinking. I forgot I had this in the closet. But I'm gonna play some of this on here.
Girl, no limit. Just know when you roll with a nigga like me, there's no limit, baby.
Okay, y'all, I put an elastic band around. All I'm gonna do is wait till it melt a little bit. And hopefully I cut this lace and it look decent. I'll be back. Hey, y'all, I'm about to take this off. How does it look? Oh, God. I don't know what I'm doing. Gotta tell I wear wigs often. But when I wear them, okay? Alright, y'all. I'm gonna try to fix this hair, but right now, I'm trying to hurry up and get out this door. So I'll holler at y'all. Alright. Okay, you guys. This is it for the hairstyle. I'm over it. I'm done fighting with the lace. I'm done. I'm done with all that. I think I might put a little bit of makeup up in this area. But other than that, I'm done. So, this is the end of this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching if you watched. Love you guys.